So the state thinks that casting reasonable doubt on the expert testimony removes reasonable doubt of Murdaugh's guilt.
It wasn't even reasonable. The things that we're talking about were completely unreasonable. It was unreasonable. That it's like it was such an ineffective attack.
Yeah,
what a waste! What a waste! I'm not sure what you're trying to do. It's like, let me nitpick this guy to absolute death and like ask so many questions that just don't go anywhere.
I think we have a new word for this type of crossing.
Can you tell me exactly where on this timeline? Can you tell me exactly on this chart where exactly 917 is? Well, I can look at my laptop. But can you tell in the chart? Can you tell me which line is?
Without looking at the chart.
Are you assuming? What kind of bullshit questions are these?
Exactly.
Without looking for the answer, can you tell me the answer?
Horrible cross.
Matches Burn says Gosney actually lasers in light curve in high gravitation fields.
This is true. They do.
Awesome.
So yes, if there was a black hole that suddenly emerged in the middle of the field at Moselle, then sure, fine.
Right. Maybe a really dense prosecutor.
We have a knife check here coming from Melissa Unbreaded. I don't know if you guys have your knives on you, or we're all gonna have to rely on Andrew to defend us if we get attacked. So that may be. Tara Rayners says this guy is photo Chad De Bruin of decibels. It was great. He was great. Grimwolf, this is just another trial that makes me believe better to die than be tried. Can no longer trust the system in any way. Woody says patiently awaiting the Johnny Depp trial moment where this prosecutor objects to himself. Della Sanders says, so I'm Alex Murdaugh. My son shoots guns all over the property whenever, even by back stairs outside. If I'm him, why would I care? Even if I heard distant shots? Great point. Great point, Della. Indeed, I agree. To him, hearing a gunshot, he probably hears, if his window's open and he hears the gunshot, he probably hears gunshots all the time.
There goes another hog.
Yeah. Yeah, like, oh, okay, I guess we got dinner. You know, it doesn't mean anything to him. It's not like it's like, you know, in some suburban little town where you're like, you know, what the hell's happening? Why do we hear gunshots? It's not like it's the streets of Chicago where you're like, oh, okay, the Crips are out again. It's this is a place that guns are going off. That's a great point, Della. Thank you. Tracy says, why did whoever took Maggie's phone not take Paul's also? So this is something the state, I think, has been trying to figure out. And they're saying that his body might have fallen on top of it, but whatever. There was more evidence on Paul's phone. If Alex is the one disposing of phones, why leave one behind with the more incriminating evidence? Yeah, that's a fair question. It's a fair question, considering the fact that by the time he's finished looking at the body, he finds the phone, and it leaves it on his butt.
Yeah, if Alex is the one disposing of it. But what if it's not Alex? What if the murderer is someone different? What if they were surprised by Maggie, who had her phone in her hand, and they thought, oh my God, maybe she video recorded me. After they kill her, they take her phone. They don't lights up while they're escaping because Alex is calling it. They're like, holy crap, I forgot I could be traced with the phone. They throw it out into the woods.
Yeah.